mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I try to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Heard a lot in the country, I could say yes to that. Where you want me to learn it all about that. Even if I changed up everything except my name, we will still be Friday, cause I am still the same. I want me to be somebody else, something me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I try to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but some things stay the same. Some is the same. Some things stay the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same. We made an effort, promise I would change, some things stay the same. To do better, wanted to great, but some things stay the same.
If you keep this up, then I'll let you in, 'cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body, wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make them jealous, everybody, 'cause you know we got it, chemistry. I get all around me. I get chemistry. I get you and me. You know got chemistry. You make all my problems feel miles away. Nothing in this world made sense up till today. I can see the colors now, no black and white. If you keep this up, then I'll stay the night. 'Cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you always make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body, wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make them jealous, everybody, 'cause you know we got it, chemistry. I get all around me. I get chemistry.
Welcome aboard this flight.
Before we take off, we'd like to run you through a few in-flight safety exercises.
Hi, everybody. In the next 3 minutes, we're gonna work hard, work out, and get you fit to fly. Let's go! First, let's stretch it out and lose that baggage. Stretch it up to the overhead locker or slide it under the seat in front of you. Stretch and slide. Yeah! You're a giraffe. Now it's seatbelt time. When the seatbelt sign comes on, buckle it in. Grab, click, pull. Grab, click, pull. Nice and snug, low across the hips, but not too tight. And to undo your belt, just lift the flap. No sweat. Remember, you must follow crew instructions and light a sign. If your oxygen mask drops down, it's time to take a breather. Pull it down over your nose and mouth, pull the elastic tight, and then breathe normally. And remember, put your mask on first before you help others. Don't worry if the bag's feeling a little flat. The oxygen will flow automatically. Okay, now for the recommended brace positions. If there's an emergency during takeoff or landing, if you can reach, just lean and brace on the seat in front of you. Or, this is one of my favorites. It's called the duck. Flat feet, elbows outside your thighs, hands on your head, and duck on down. Now let's see where your life jacket's at. Down here, under seat. Okay, everybody, do what I do. Out of pouch, where the head, clip the other around, pull it tight, get those arms moving. Thread tag inflates your jacket. Only pull it when you step outside. If your life jacket's short on air, grab the mouthpiece here and blow and blow. Yeah, you're pumping it up. And if you've got an infant on board, the crew has a jacket for your baby. And sorry, this flight is strictly not smoking. It's a safety hazard. So the captain says, let's kick butt. If the lights go out in an emergency and the lights come on down here, it's time to move. Look around and see if anyone needs help. These lights lead you to the exit. Come on, everyone, pony! Your crew are pointing out the exit. The nearest should be behind you. So count the rows and see. 2, 3,
I'm on a plane full of quizzes.
Stop podcasting, buddy.
Don't think the first time someone's ever said that.
Electronic devices, even the cool ones, can interfere with our systems during takeoff and landing. So switch it off. Now, if you switch it to flight mode first, then turn it off, you can use it later in the flight. We're nearly done. During takeoff and landing, here's what we do. Tray tables back, seat upright, seatbelt on. Fantastic! If you need more information, it's on your safety information card. Now, you're fit to fly!
We hope you've enjoyed this safety exercise briefing.
Thank you for flying with us today. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
We always wear